Today I am reviewing this accent bench. I absolutely love it. It's great at the end of our bed. You get up, just a little place to sit. My wife's getting ready, or vice versa. Or if, just put your shoes on in the morning, get dressed, etc., pull on your socks. It matches our whole room very well. And I love all the detail on it. It was super easy to put together. It came very nicely packaged. You can see, the tufting, all the buttons. It's very soft and nice. And the whitewashing in here to make it just kind of look a little aged. I'm going to flip it over because I really like, it all came packaged with all the legs in this little strap right here, which is nice. You can see it has an extra support right here as well. These big thick bolts to put it together, and anyone could put this together. It just came as this bench and the 4 legs. Let's do a close-up on the detail of the legs. Just looks absolutely great. Even, has all these little details, and even has these little rubber no scratch protectors on the bottom of the feet, and they're not like the kind of glue-on kind. They're integrated into the material. Even the wood smells nice. It smells like high-end wood, and big thick bolts that even came with lock washers and everything. Absolutely impressed with this bench, and I can't recommend it enough. Great product, great company, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.